Hello there, this is your English teacher, Miss Hannah, and today you will be able to learn about English sight words or common words. So these are words that help you to recognize instantly without sounding them out. Recognizing these words help you to become faster and more fluent to read. And so are you ready? And these are the words. Ah, ah, an, at, are, and, about, after, after. Now let's use in a sentence. A, an apple, an elephant, an eraser, an umbrella, at, I'm at school. Are, they are my teachers, they are my classmates. And I have a pencil and an eraser. About, about. Our lesson for today is about English. After. Please finish this after your lunch. B, 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 by, but, ben, because. Now let's use in a sentence. Be confident. By, I made this cake by hand. But, I don't want to, but I need to. I've been there. Because. He don't want to stand because he is shy. C. K. Can, could, cat, can't. D. The, did, down, do, don't. E, H, eat, enter, excuse, exit. F, from, first, find, for, H, he, has, him, had, how, has, have. E, in, F, into, it, is, it's, I. J, just. For example, I just know him. I just arrived. I just now eat. K, na. No. For example, in a sentence, I know him. I know, teacher. I know this. I know who did this. L, like, long, love, little, last. am, my, mine, make, more, many, moss, n, no, not, never, now, neither, o, or, one, of, over, out, other, on, p, people, put, please, as, she, said, some, so, see, sit, t, d, da, to, they, this, that, there, t, them, these, two, time, done, there, t, there, those, talk, tell, take, you, up, use, and to, as, v, very, in. For example, in a sentence, I'm so very busy. I'm very okay. W, was, with, well, where, words, right, we, well, way, water, what, who, where, which, why, when, would, wet, why, yeah, you, your, yes, yet,